we get. So today we are going to learn about numbers in German. So we'll be doing counting from 0 to 100. So let's get started. First, null, null, eins, eins, zwei, zwei, drei, drei, vier, vier, fünf, fünf, sechs, sechs, sieben, sieben. Make sure you don't say it as sieben, it's sieben. Acht, acht, neun, neun, zehn, zehn. Then 11. It's elf, elf, zwölf, zwölf. Okay, so now 13 is 13, 13. 4 is 14, 14. So as you can see here, we know that 10 is 10. 10 is 10. Now here 13 is 13. Now there's a trick which you have to just focus. See, there are some numbers which you have to learn, but also whenever there is possible for a trick, we would use it. Okay, so here it's 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so now the zane, which is the 10, is coming everywhere. Okay, I have highlighted with green color so you can see it. So it's very easy. For example, we say Siebzehn. Okay, so Siebzehn is a little different. We will not say Siebenzehn, that would be wrong. We will not say Siebenzehn, we will be saying Siebzehn. Siebzehn. So 14 is Vierzehn. Now 4 is fear. So we'll write fear and then zehn. Here 15. 5 is fünf. We'll write fünf, then zehn. So it's just the normal 1, 2, 3 counting. You will write here. Then you write zehn, 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 zehn. Except for 11 and 12 because it's elf und zwölf. So I hope till 19 it's clear to you. Now for 20 it's zwanzig. Zwanzig. There at the end it is Z-I-G, so you might think that you have to pronounce it as zig, but it's not the case. You have to say it like zwanzig. Zwanzig. Okay, moving further, then we have dreißig, that is 30, dreißig, 40, vierzig, vierzig, then fünfzig, fünfzig, then sechzig, sechzig, siebzig, siebzig, and you have 80, achtzig, achtzig, neunzig, neunzig, and last 100. Guys, I would like to tell you something. The pronunciation of the native Germans would obviously a little different. Okay, I'll not say that the pronunciation which we say is wrong. No, it's not the case. For example, if I take the word girl, I say girl, but maybe some American would say girl. So do you understand? The meaning remains the same. Girl, girl. But the pronunciation is a little different. So I would just want you guys to let you know that the pronunciation of the native Germans might vary a little, but that's fine. We are learning gradually, so even if it's not matching to their level, that's completely fine. You don't have to think that you're pronouncing it wrong. So now I hope this is clear to you. We have done till 0 to 20, then 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Hope you liked today's video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not. And cheers!